In this video, I'll be showing you how to record your screen using Filmora, one of the most user-friendly video editing tools out there. Whether you're looking to create tutorials, game recordings, or even capture live presentations, Filmora makes it super easy to record and share your screen. Let's talk about why screen recording is so useful. With Filmora, screen recording can help you capture everything happening on your screen. This can be super handy if you want to create tutorials, online classes and presentations, gameplay recordings, troubleshooting and support, recording virtual meetings, capturing website walkthroughs and demos, content creation and reactions. Alright, let's get into the steps of setting up and starting a screen recording with Filmora. First, open Filmora. Once you're in the main dashboard, click on More Options. Here, you'll see several options. Select Screen Recorder. Now, a new window will pop up. Here we can adjust the settings for our recording. You'll have options to set up. Full screen recording, great if you want to record everything on your screen. Custom area recording, perfect for focusing on specific areas of the screen. Name and save to, where you want it to be stored and how you want to name it. Quality, if you need a low, medium, or high quality recording frame rate, you can adjust this to improve video quality, with 30 FPS being a good standard for most tutorials. If you have a microphone or webcam connected, you can enable those options here too. This is great if you want to add commentary or a face cam while recording. If you want to capture and manage your computer screen and your webcam, you could use the camera screen merging and splitting mode. The split mode allows you to record both your screen and your webcam feed simultaneously and display them side by side or in separate sections within the same video. The merging mode in screen recording is used to overlay the webcam feed on top of the screen recording. This is helpful when you want your webcam feed to appear as a small, movable box, picture-in-picture, within the main screen capture. Before we continue, if you're finding this tutorial helpful so far, make sure to hit that like button. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel for more tutorials and tips. Also, let me know in the comments what you will use this tool for or any questions you may have. I love here for you. Let's get back to it. Once everything is set up, just click the Start Recording button. Filmora will give you a 3-second countdown so you can get ready before it starts recording. A quick tip, if you need to pause or resume your recording, just press F9 on your keyboard. This way, you don't have to start over if you need a moment. So there you have it. That's how to start recording your screen. Screen recordings like this are incredibly useful for sharing step-by-step guides, capturing presentations, or even creating reaction videos. From here, you can edit your recorded video, add text, music, or even cut out parts you don't need. Filmora's editing tools make it easy to polish up your video before sharing it. And that's it. Now you know how to record your screen using Filmora. I hope this tutorial was helpful and that you're excited to try out screen recording on your own. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already for more tutorials like this, and let me know in the comments what other Filmora tips you'd like to see. Thanks for watching.